Welcome to Trading HD. We are watching right here in the 1 hour time frame the latest price action of FFIE stock. First of all, remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. So let's see how it developed. Wow, it was trading around $10. This was before the stock split, so take that into account for the price change. Then we're approaching that the stock split situation. We can see right there what happened with the price. It plummeted to the downside but reached a type of support, we could say, of 2.62, completely bounced to the upside. Then it started to correct to the lower side of this parallel side again, and from there what happened today? Let's see the movement right there. You have it, plus 46% just today. How will it go? Let us know in the comments below. Are you trading this stock? Are you keeping an eye on it? Are you deciding to trade it or not? Let us know in the comments everything you want to share about this stock. Very interesting price action. I wanted to share this first with you. Now let's go to the daily time frame so we can see this movement right here. This was the trade of the year. If you bought at the lowest part and sold at the highest, more than 8,000%. Wow, completely insane. But from there, the movement to the downside was equally, but in the other direction. We're talking about a movement of minus 98%. And the current price action, let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. This movement that started around $2.60, we are talking about an upside of more than 330%. From there, a correction of almost 70%, exactly. And from there, this movement that started, that reached almost 90%, almost 100%. It depends on the price that you took. And right now 50 something percent, currently 49 for the day. Let's see how it closes, and let us know in the comments your prediction for this next week, or maybe you want to share the prediction for this week, the next one, maybe the month, or even the year. Whatever you want to share in the comments will be fine. At the end of this video, we will read the comments from the previous one, and I'm very interested in knowing how it developed, if you change perspectives or not, because we have fresh price action right here that we're going to talk about. So I like this 1 hour time frame. I think it's very interesting. Obviously, we can talk about this level of 2.62 as a clear support area, because from there the price bounced with a lot of strength. You can see the bullish price action. It doesn't mean like if the price reaches that level again, it will for sure bounce. We never know the future. We have to be prepared for everything and not to be biased. But of course, here we have a very bullish price action that was acting. From there, it got rejected exactly. Let's take a look at this level of $11.30 more or less. And why was that? If we take a look at the daily time frame, maybe we can see more confirmation of that level being a strong support area. Right here we can see some interesting price action. You can see around these levels there were some bearish gaps and bullish gaps also, but it was difficult to predict this exact level. Taking a look at more far away in the chart, we have this retest right here, this price action also very interesting, but I think this was a very difficult level to kind of predict, Wow, taking a look at this, we can clearly see the situation, and we will read a comment at the end of the video that talks about this situation of the chart, so I'm not going to spoil it for you. So let's go back again, sorry for that, to the 1 hour time frame. What can we see right here during this last price action? This upside was completely vertical, and that's something interesting, and we could draw this kind of support area. If you are a more aggressive trader, you could have even draw with something like this, but in my opinion that would be like very aggressive. With this volatility you can do that also. It all depends on your trading style. And we can see from there this breakout right here, and then the retest in the price, and the price going lower, and this breakout the same, and then here almost a retest, we could say. And from there the price completely plummeted. The most dramatic situation I think was this price action right here. We're talking about a movement of more than 30% to the lower side, maybe trying to fill this past price action with no pressure at all. We can see this price action very bullish, and here the bearish candles were very similar in the opposite direction. So from technical side, I think this is a very interesting chart. That's why I wanted to share with you this fast update, and to know your opinions also in the comment section. What can we see from this last movement? Obviously this level right here, we could draw something like this as a resistance, and this was broken out and maybe this is like the retest. We have to wait and see. I want to know in the comment section, do you think this breakout right here was a real one or a false one? And then which direction do you think the market will take, now that we're kind of in the middle between this $11 area where the price got completely rejected to the lower side, and between this 2.60 level where the price action started to go higher from this level. So what can we do right now? Let us know in the comments below your opinion. Today, a very bullish day. Of course, we have to wait and see how this week closes, because we are talking about the stock, and now I'm going to read the comments. But let's take the perspective in the monthly time frame. We can clearly see that, and let's go to the daily time frame, because we can see that also right there. We are talking about the downtrend from the start of this movement. Wow, it's insane. You have the stock splits right there, so the price right there, the number of the price is completely different. So let's go with the comment sections right here. Yeah, I'm going to put the weekly time frame to see with higher perspective what I want to talk about with you. Let's paste the first one right here. This is as usual our question: did you expect FFIE stock movement? I will ask you that again in the comment section, so please share with us your opinions. We have World News 4347. After 100% up today, it's still only minus 75% down last week. And you know, that's what I wanted to comment with you. What do you think about that situation? Because that's completely true. If you take a look at the perspective, let me put the comment right here so you can read it. I'm not on it. You have this movement. Yeah, in the 4-hour chart we can see better this movement right here. We were talking about more than 100%. This one almost 330 at the end. But the thing is, like, if you take into account, for instance, this was at the end of August, but if you take into account since the start of August, we have right here the first trading day of August, we are talking about a movement of minus 80%, that after that a spike to the upside was still a minus 20%. So not the exact situation that this subscriber or commenter is letting us know and sharing with us, so thank you for that. But the situation is as that here, for example, this 8,000% movement to the upside. Wow, a perfect trade if you bought at the lower part and sold at the highest one. But take a look at the weekly time frame or the daily time frame. You have to take a look and see like the downtrend from that movement. If you take into account that upside potential also, the downtrend was still minus 99% according to this data. So completely mind-blowing. How do you see this type of trades? Because sometimes we have to know the real perspective of a company or a stock, and even if it goes up huge percentages as we see with this type of movements, taking into account the whole picture and investors that were buying around 2021, 2022, 23, they didn't even recover their initial investment unless they bought later on. So if you are in this situation or you want to share with us your perspective on this, please share it with us so we can all learn together here in Trading HT Honest Traders. Then we have the answer of Benjamin Gustafsson. Yeah, I've noticed. And then a squeeze not over yet from Amun Ramalaki. And you know, that was something that he commented, and we could see like the squeeze maybe wasn't over, because even that we had this correction right here of more than 70%, this movement continued, you know, before reaching the previous price. So we have to wait and see how it goes. Let us know in the comments if you think like the short squeeze, if it is so, will continue or not, or this movement or the opposite. And then let's read the last comments that we have from the previous video. Thank you very much for sharing all your information right there, and please share in this comment section what do you see about this stock right now. We have Irene AW. I've been buying and holding FFIE since May. Today was a great day, but ready for another one. Okay, so we hope it goes well for you. We never know the future, but as usual, take the loss, take the win, but at least take the experience. And from there we have the answer again from World News. How much are you on minus 80%? There will be more dilution in near time. Thank you for sharing your opinion right there. So as you see, different opinions as usual in trading. Some bullish traders, some bearish traders. Only the future only the future in Faraday, future intelligent electric will let us know how it goes, who was right and who wasn't. And remember, the important thing sometimes is your trading strategy and your trading style, and what do you learn from it. And because you could buy at the best possible moment, but if you don't sell at the best one, you could enter into losses if the stocks goes lower. Or the opposite could be true, you could buy at the worst possible moment, but if you manage risk properly and you have a good trading strategy, you could recover that, or at least learn from the next opportunities. That's a very interesting topic. Let us know in the comments below, which part for trading do you think it's more important, the psychological part, we could call it trading psychology, the technical analysis part, and maybe we could add right there, or maybe separate the fundamental analysis part, or yeah, or what other styles do you have in mind? Because right now I think that those two are key in my opinion. Then we could talk about copy trading or social trading. We don't take a look at that very often, but if you know about it, please share it with us. So which are the key pillars, we could say, for a trader in order to be prepared for everything and to keep improving every trading week, every trading day, and always. So thank you very much for watching this video. Check our other videos right here, you have more time, and remember to subscribe to Trading HD. But the most important thing that I want to say with you, remember that in trading every day you can learn new lessons, and this could be applied for your trading journey but also for your life journey. Thank you very much. Trading HD right here, Honest Traders. Let's go.